India, the land of mathematical innovation, now sets its sights on a new frontier, net zero. But the current crisis demands more. We must go beyond zero. ISRO's CooL Conclave leads the charge. Following the triumphant CooL Conclave 2024 in Jaipur, CooL Conclave 2025 in Indore promises to be even bigger and better. This carbon-neutral event will offset all emissions, setting a new standard. Indore, India's cleanest city for 7 consecutive years, hosts this premier event at the Sheraton Grand Palace. Join consultants, owners and leaders in the heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigerating sector to explore decarbonization strategies aligning with India's net zero goals. Connect with global sustainability leaders, discover innovative ideas and shape a greener future. This year's event features many forward-thinking and future-defining topics. Healthy hospitality, sustainable healthcare solutions, smart cities, clean solutions, hydrogen horizons, waste not, wants not, electrifying the future, beyond net zero, carbon credits and blockchain, storage superpowers, drive to zero, decarbonization in data centers, cool solutions for a warming planet, green refrigerants revolution. The time to act is now. Let's rethink, redesign and revitalize our decarbonization efforts. Don't miss this historic opportunity. Stay tuned for updates and gear up for CooL Conclave 2.0.